If you're done with the jigsaw and belt sander routine for cutting rounded corners, Woodpecker's latest one-time tool is just what you're looking for. Cut perfect radius corners in just one step with Woodpecker's Radius Quick-Jig. Just select the radius you want, index the jig to the end and the side of your workpiece, nibble away at the center, then bring the jig against the bearing and create a perfect radius. Used in conjunction with Woodpecker's freehand guard, the job is nearly dust-free and the bit is always covered. You'll never deal with irregular or mismatched corners because each one is cut with exactly the same template. The 6 Radius Quick-Jig templates each have 2 sizes for a total of 12 available radii: 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, and 1 1/2. Soft curves lead the bearing into and out of the cut, eliminating hard entry points that require extra sanding. If you're designing your project on the fly, you can easily visualize the look of the finished cut just by dropping the jig on the corner and taking a look. When you're through with the Radius Quick-Jig, just drop it on the included racket with the rest of the set and it'll be ready to go for your next project. Whether your project is big, small, or in between, the Radius Quick-Jig will give you beautifully radius corners using the safety and convenience of your router table. Order yours today.